everyone, this is Jeremy Schachter of Fairway Independent Mortgage. Today I'm really excited to have two guests on, both from the title and escrow field. Karen Grayson with DHI Title and Jose Rodriguez from Old Republic Title, talking about title insurance, why we need it, and ins and outs of it. So I want to bring two experts in to talk about it quickly. Hi, Karen.
Hi, Jeremy. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
And here's Jose. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. I'm doing well. How
Perfect.
are you doing, Jeremy?
Sure.
Karen?
We're doing
Hi,
great.
Jose.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for inviting us.
Of
Thank
course,
you.
of course. So I want to say that I find it so uplifting where we have two different competitors from Old Republic as well as DHI who do the same thing, basically business development, marketing in one car, because first they're friends, and I think Karen got you into the business or was
She
a
did,
mentor.
yes. So I reached out to Karen before I joined Old Republic, and I told her, is this something that you can see me doing? And I want to know more about what you do. And because of what she said, here I am.
Great, great. That's all about teamwork. And
Yeah,
like
we're
Karen,
very supportive of each other.
very supportive, and as Karen said prior to us recording, there's enough business out there, including real estate agents as well as title and escrow and lenders, that it's always nice to play in the sandbox,
Yes,
so to speak.
definitely.
Well, title and escrow and title insurance comes up often, especially on the lender side, because it's part of the closing costs, and I think that a lot of people don't really understand what title insurance is. I know escrow is basically a neutral third party between the buyer and seller, and usually in most circumstances it's divided in half the cost between the seller and buyer. So Karen, one aspect of title insurance is the owner's policy, because I guess there's two different policies that you get when you open up a transaction. One's owners and one is lenders. So Karen, can you briefly talk about like owners and why we need it?
Sure, definitely. Owner's policy is typically paid by the seller.
Okay.
And it basically ensures the buyer that whatever is in the contract is what they're getting. There are no liens on the property. There's clear title. They're not getting anything more, anything less.
Okay.
So two examples is, one, it protects if there are any unrecorded documents on the property that were not found during the title search.
Okay.
And another thing, we live in a society where sometimes people do bad things. So if anything is done fraudulently after the property records,
Okay.
this also protects the buyer.
And if there is something that comes up, they basically have this policy that they make a claim to
Yes.
to ensure that this gets removed from their title.
Yes.
Okay,
exactly.
perfect. Great. Thank you. And then Jose, lenders title insurance, because we have owners and we have lenders. So the lender's title insurance, can you just briefly explain that?
So the lender's policy is what it's known as, and it covers the lender. So
Okay.
if there's any problems with the property itself, the lender is protected.
Okay.
And that's where this comes into play. So again, lender policy only covers a lender, and most mortgage companies require the buyer to have this on their title.
On a title.
Yeah.
So if you pay cash, then you obviously don't need it.
You don't need it. No,
Got it.
correct.
Okay, so but in normal circumstances, you obviously need a mortgage. You can have owner's policy and you have a
lender policy. Correct.
Gotcha. And then, correct me if I'm wrong, if you do two policies at the same company, you'll get a discount.
For the most part, depending on the title company
Right.
and what their policies are,
Okay.
yes.
Gotcha.
That
Okay.
usually is.
They want to have two policies, like basically bundling it together.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
Okay. Perfect. Well, yeah.
Yeah, I was just going to say, as Karen, if you guys want more information or go into details of examples on how it can protect you, she can definitely help you out just like I can again. And I'm sure you will put our information.
Sure, yeah, I'll
below.
tag you on Facebook, and then you can reach out if you have any questions. Real estate agents, as well as anyone looking to purchase a home or even sell a home. They're great advocates for making sure that your process is smooth, and they're good friends of mine, and I wanted to bring them on. So thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Jeremy.
Okay, take care. Bye, everyone.
Bye.